Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use QuickBooks for personal finance. So let's get started. First, create a new company file and enter your name as the company. Choose Other or None as the industry. This way, QuickBooks is set up only for your personal use. Next, create categories that match your life. For example, income from salary, side hustle, or investments. Expenses like rent, groceries, utilities, entertainment, and travel. Assets like bank accounts, cash, car, or home. And liabilities like credit cards, loans, or mortgage. Now, connect your bank and credit card accounts so QuickBooks can import transactions automatically. If you are using the desktop version, you can use bank feeds or upload statements. Then, categorize your spending. For example, groceries go under food, Netflix under entertainment, and electricity bill under utilities. After that, use the budgeting tool and reports. Profit and loss will show income versus expenses. Cash flow report will tell you where your money is going. And net worth report shows your assets minus liabilities. You can also track loans, savings, and investments. For example, record mortgage as a liability and savings or investments as assets. You can even tag big goals like emergency fund or vacation. Finally, review your accounts monthly, reconcile them with your bank statement, and check if you stayed within your budget. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.